Hey, it's Mike, and I want to talk about an EV company that's given you a really good dip buying opportunity. Now, I know looking at this number, you may have a heart attack and think, what kind of stock that falls almost 18% gives you a dip buying opportunity? Well, I'll explain a little more when you look at the entire chart pattern here for the past couple of days. So the company I'm talking about is Ayro Inc. It trades on the NASDAQ AYRL. AYRO, sorry about that. And they basically make purpose-built electric vehicles. So these are vehicles that are used for various types of industries. As you can see here, they're used for maintenance. They could be used for transport of people, box trucks, deliveries. They're used in education, corporate campuses, hotels and resorts, government buildings, food, beverage. You can see here, there's like a club car for deliveries. Here's like a small delivery vehicle. Lots of different applications for Arrow. Now, it did fall almost 18%, but that is because 5 days ago, this was a $4 stock. It has run all the way up to $10. So it's pretty natural that a stock like this is going to get some selling. And the EVs did sort of run into some trouble here because it looks like, all these EV stocks on Monday had this parabolic move upward. So it's kind of natural that you're going to get some selling. Now, the thing you have to know about Arrow is that its 50-day moving average is at about 350. So as long as Arrow remains above its 50-day moving average, the stock is relatively healthy. Yes, you're going to get a lot of selling, but when you have a stock that almost triples in price in 5 days, you're going to get a pullback like this. If you are looking to play the EV stocks for the long term, Arrow is definitely a company that's in a very unique niche, that the sort of smaller purpose-built vehicles. They don't have a lot of competition in this niche. Tesla's not building anything like this. NIO or Xpeng is not building anything like this. And Workhorse, they're more doing last mile delivery trucks than something in this niche. So Arrow definitely has its own unique niche going on here. The market cap is really small, about $211 million. People always say, man, I wish I could get into these stocks, but they move too far too fast. Well, here's your dip buying opportunity. Like I said, if you want to get in, just get in at a little bit, not too much, so it doesn't make you too nervous, because the stock may go down a little more before it finds its base and keeps on going. But this is definitely a company for the long term you should definitely take a look at. So again, it's Arrow, trades on the NASDAQ, AYRO. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give a like and go ahead and subscribe, turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.